lesson number unit number 3, question number 7, page number 5. See a triangular prism, base 40 mm side, height 60 mm long, is resting on HP. On one of its rectangular faces, not on the base. It is rest on one of its rectangular faces with the axis is parallel to VP. So in this problem we clearly understood that the axis is parallel to HP as well as parallel to VP. So once axis is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, in this case first we want to draw side view first. Once you want to draw side view, afterward from side view you want to project front view and top view once again one by one. So that's why here first question number 7, first we want to draw side view. That's why first take XY line as usual. Anywhere first you want to take as profile plane. Why? Because for side view with the help of profile plane only we want to draw it. This is O. So here rectangular face, base 40 mm side, height 65 mm resting. So base is 40 mm. So that's why here we want to take base 40. It is resting on HP. So that's why. So this is 40. So by using compass. Why? Because triangular prism means all sides are equal. So in the base sides are equal. So that's why you want to take 60 and you want to produce 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then join them. So this is the prism. So A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, P double dash, Q double dash, R double dash. Why? Because for every prism it has two bases. One base is A double dash, B double dash and C double dash. Other base is P double dash and Q double dash and R double dash. For axis you want to get center. Center means simply angular bisectors you want to get the center. So angular bisector means you want to draw, this is 60 means you want to take 30 angle bisector. Why? Because all angles are 60. You want a 30 angle and angle bisector. Then you got the center. So this is the center. Don't make thick these lines. Why? Because these are faces. That's why don't make thick it here. Suppose this is the pyramid, you want to make thick these lines also. But this is prism. That's why don't make thick them. This is suppose O double dash center. Once you want to draw front view, just to draw project from. Why? Because front view and side view both are same heights. That's why you want to project it. For side, top view, O center, OB radius, you want to rotate this one by using compass. Rotate this one. O center up to this radius, you want to rotate by using compass. Rotate this one. And this is center. And O here. O center up to this radius, you want to rotate this one. Rotate this one. Afterwards you want to extend this one just lightly, don't go make line, just lightly. Here this is in the front view. Whenever first you want to take one base anywhere, suppose this is the one base of our triangle prism, but axis means height, that is 65. So from here you want to take 65. You want to join them. So this is the front view. So this is the axis, line dot line. So here suppose this is a dash, B and C both occupies here only B dash and C dash. This is P double dash means this is P dash, this is Q dash and R dash. So this is the front view of the prism. Once you want to draw the front view, just project. Why? Because front view and top view both are having the same length. That's why just extend this one, then join them. You got the top view. Why? Because both front view and top view both are having same length. That's why they are having 1 by 1. So this is the axis. Axis means approximately center. So that's why because here this is center. So here this is B dash means this is B. This is A double dash means this is A. This is C double dash means this is C. Why? Because A, B, C, this is top view. A, B, C, this is front, this is top view, this is front view, this is top view. Why? Because A dash and A both are on the single projector. B dash and B both on the single projector. C dash and C single projector. That's why don't give the numbering for all different sides. Next goes to this is Q. Why? Because Q double dash means this is Q, this is Q. This is P double dash means this is P, this is R. So this is the top view, this is the front view, this is the side view. Once you want to draw all these views, once you want to cross check it, this is resting on HP on one of its rectangular faces. So this is XY line resting on HP on its rectangular face. So the condition is satisfied. With axis is parallel to VP. So this is the axis is parallel to VP. Condition is satisfied. So that's why in this case, once axis is parallel to HP and parallel to VP, then first you want to draw side view first. Once you want to draw side view first, then you want to project front view and top view. So here this side is 40. So indicate them. So this is 40. Dimension is 40 and axis means 65. So here this is 65. You want to indicate them. Why? Because what are the dimensions given in the problem, you must indicate in the given problem. So side is 40, height is 65, axis is parallel to HP, axis is parallel to VP. Then you want to draw side view first.